makes it even better.
Sup, Tinaniafamily!
Sup, sup! We are going to introduce the two shark girls. And take it away. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do. Bring it in here. Baby crazy girl. Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark. Yep, that's what we're gonna deal with all day, every day. And the boss man. We're done.
Watching the vlog, go and watch it, guys! Family, back for another DIY. So I've got these white jeans and it cost me $10. $10 from Kmart. So go grab some jeans. I'm going to do some distressed jeans today. So what you need to do is put them on, because you're going to have to mark it. Mark around your knees where you want to have the slit. So we're going to do two slits. We're going to do a bigger one on the left side. Then on the right side, we're going to do a few slits as well. All right, guys? Alright, Tinaniafamily, let's get started. Alright, so grab your jeans. I'm going to show you how to distress today. As I said before, these are from Kmart. Only $10, guys. But if you've got any old jeans lying around, mate, grab them and let's distress them. Alright, so just want to show you what you're going to need. Ingredients is, get yourself some scissors. Also, a knife. Any knife will do, guys. It's a lot better when you're distressing as well. I'll show you in a minute. Also, don't forget the tweezers. If you haven't got any, go and get you some from the wife's cupboard. Alright, as I said before, one side we're going to do different, the other side we're not. So, as you can see, I've already marked the biggest side that we're going to do, which is called a box cut, a box distress cut. So you've got your 3 points there, your top one and the bottom one and the middle. Alright, so on the other side, we're going to do a few distress lines, which I'll show you as well. But you can see there that I've already marked it as well. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is first, let's pinch where we've cut. Then also do a slight cut, just a little cut with your scissors. You don't want to go all the way because that's going to give you more of a really clean cut. Now, what I mean by clean cut, look when I cut through it with the knife. The knife actually gives it a really nice distressed look already. Alright guys, let's stop for 1 second. I know you're asking about the nail polish. Yes, I do paint my nails, but anyway, it's not about the nails. Let's keep going with our distressing. So, just go from one side to the other and start to distress with the knife. And as you can see, it gives you a really cool rough look, yeah? So, as you can see there, it gives you more of a distressed look, more than no scissors, no deal with the scissors. Now, we want to concentrate on getting that right, yeah? Alright guys, so same deal, little cut with the scissors, go in with your knife with the top. So we've done the bottom already, now concentrate on parallel with the mark that we already done before when I had my trousers on, yeah? So you can see that's parallel from the top to the bottom. But tip for you guys, don't forget, don't make it too high or you're gonna have stuff that falls out, mate. Okay, now it's for the box cut. You got the top and the bottom. Hello. Anyway, you're gonna go straight down there with the scissors, but again, just nip the top and the bottom, and then you've got again the knife that you're gonna go straight down the middle there. But go through the middle first, punch a hole in, and then all you have to do is connect with the top and the bottom. Go for it, guys. Remember, don't be fussy with it, yeah? Don't be fussy, but remember, it's gotta be a knife. Otherwise, you're not gonna get distressed. But when you start, you're gonna start to get these cotton threads come through. That's what you want. That's what you want to come through to make it look more of a natural distressed look. guys. Now you can start to see it coming together and it's connecting. Yay, we're all done, guys, with the box cut. The top and the bottom there, straight down the middle. Don't forget, you don't want it too close, otherwise something's gonna fall out. So check it out, guys. And that's the open box look. You don't have to have it as big as I have. I like it a little bit more precise. So then, you know, it's a little bit more trendier. I like it, but it's up to you what size you want to have it. But you know what? That's for the other side. Let's start on the other side. Alright, Stolle, remember the tip that I showed you? Go parallel to the cut. And then, you know what? It's going to be a nice, easy, clean cut when you go in there with the scissors. Look, see? Straight across. Especially when you're trying to do a straight line. Also, don't forget, whaangaling e fi, and go straight through. All it is repeat, repeat, repeat to get that awesome look that you're wanting, which is a distress look. Alright guys, again, the look is pretty much up to you. I've decided to do 2 more parallel cuts on one side. Not a box cut, just a straight line across on the top and bottom. And just repeating the same thing that we did with the ngefi and the scissors. And just go straight through and you know, get that nice clean cut. But as I said to you, you can custom it any way that you want. You can do one line, you can do a small line, whatever look that you're after. There's no rule for it. Now, grab the tweezer and just keep plucking, 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 plucking all the way through until it starts to get to look a little bit more distressed. Look, I'm not a professional, but I know just from experience that this works for me. You might have another way. Comment down below if you do have another way. I just find that, you know, this is easier and a lot quicker because, you know what, I'm a bit impatient, don't have enough time, but I want the look tomorrow. Anyway, I know some people have used razors, some people use cheese grater, but you know what, this is Duva's way and try it out. If it works for you, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's sunga. Don't forget, use the tweezer, keep plucking into those corners. If you don't do those corners, it's not going to look as natural as you want it to be. All right, so right in those corners, get those threads in with your tweezer. All right, guys, almost done. Okay, whoa, hold on, 1 second. Go get yourself a chopping board. Now, what do you think this is for? So I spotted this on the Yeezys page, where if you haven't seen my jackets tutorial, go and have a look at it. So grab yourself a chopping board and a felt tip. Now, let's zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit better. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the chopping board into your ofuwai, just like that, guys. Simple, simple. Reason being is we're gonna be doing some graffiti on our jeans. Alright guys, so grab yourself any pen, any pencil that you want to start off first, just to mark it out before you put the felt tip on. Alright, so grab yourself the felt tip. There can be any words that you want to use. Be creative with it. If you're not creative, unofficially Mr. Google, you know, he will tell you what's cool at the moment. So I've just put never, just something, you know, something simple, but that I thought would be cool. And yeah, just try it out first. All right, ready, first lettering. And don't forget, every time you use a new word, make sure that you're writing on top of the chopping board, because you don't want to mark through to the other side, especially when you're using white. You know, you don't want to have both words showing through. All right, so I'm going down to the where the 3 slits are and writing a bigger paragraph. As I said, customize it to you. You don't have to go to this extent. You can stop at the distressing, but I'm a big game, and as I said, I see Yeezy have these go for, I think it's $162 I saw it on his website, but it cost me $10 and about maybe 30 minutes of my time to make sure that these look cool. Mate, saving you some money. So, yep, you saw it. Shut the F up. Now, going further down to the bottom of the leg, as you see, I've started the word backwards. The reason why I've started backwards is it's a lot easier to make sure that the letters are even. Alright guys, don't forget, got to make sure that they're even, and make sure the chopping board's underneath. Have fun with it, guys. Alright, it's starting to look really cool. That's one side, guys. Alright, let's start on the other side. Same thing. Repeat, 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 repeat. So go put your chopping board underneath it. Exactly the same thing as you've done the other side. Go to Mr. Google or whatever's in your head and start writing it down. Alright guys? What's up guys? Okay, I'm all done. So, this is it. This is the outfit for the weekend. The pants are all done. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I've got my red hat and then I've got the red shoes down the bottom there. Can you see them? Yeah, I got my red shoes on. So this one I'm thinking for wearing for the weekend. But that's the DIY white jeans that I've done. And that's a full outfit there. Ta-da! These jeans were only $15 from Kmart. Get a better angle for you guys. They're the jeans there. With the cuts and there. So that's it there. Comment down below if you guys like it. Yeah, this is what I'm planning to wear for the weekend. So, nice and easy guys. Don't forget it's from Kmart, man. Look at this. This is what I also done at the bottom of my pants. As you can see. Hello? Let us know if you like these DIYs. I'm really enjoying doing it. We've been cutting up our clothes for a long time. Alright guys, there's 3 things we want you guys to do. That's like, subscribe, and share. Cheers!
What is the location?